You can turn a 400-page textbook into a personal tutor in about 90 seconds. Drop the PDF in, ask it anything, and every answer comes with a citation. You can click straight back to the source page. No hallucinations. No, as an AI. And the part nobody talks about. It generates a podcast where 2 AI hosts explain your document while you walk the dog. That's the feature I use daily. The tool is NotebookLM. It's free, made by Google. Here's the exact workflow. Go to notebooklm.google.com. Click New Notebook. Hit Add Source. You can drop a PDF, paste a website URL, drop a YouTube link, or paste raw text. Up to 50 sources per notebook, each up to 500,000 words. So yes, your entire textbook, your lecture slides, and 3 research papers, all in one brain. Upload your PDF. Wait about 30 seconds while it reads everything. Now the magic. In the chat box, don't ask vague questions. Ask it to teach. Type, explain chapter 4 like I'm a beginner. Then quiz me with 5 questions. It answers, and next to every claim, there's a little numbered citation. Click it. It jumps you to the exact sentence in the PDF. That's how you trust it. You verify in one click. Here's a real example. I dropped in a 60-page tax document. I asked, what deductions apply to a freelancer with the specific section numbers? It pulled 4 deductions, each cited to the page. A task that's normally 30 minutes of Control-F, done in 90 seconds. Now the killer feature. On the right panel, click Audio Overview, then Generate. Wait 2 minutes. NotebookLM creates a podcast, 2 AI hosts having a natural conversation about your document. They explain it, they riff, they break down hard parts. You download it and listen on your commute. I've turned dense white papers I'd never read into a 15-minute episode, one actually finish. But here's where it gets better. Click the Customize button before you generate. You can tell the host who you are. Type, focus on the financial sections. The listener is a startup founder with no accounting background. Now the podcast is tailored to you specifically. Same document, a completely different episode. 3 more moves most people miss. First, the study guide. In the panel, click the study guide button. It auto-generates a full set of review questions, key terms, and short answer prompts from your source. Turn any PDF into a practice exam in seconds. Students, this alone replaces a $50 study app. Second, Briefing Doc and Timeline. 1 click each. Briefing Doc gives you the executive summary. Timeline pulls every date and event into order. Incredible for case studies, history, or legal docs where sequence matters. Third, and this is the workflow I run for actual work. I add multiple sources, then ask cross-document questions. Compare what Source 1 and Source 3 say about pricing strategy, and flag where they disagree. It synthesizes across everything and shows its work. That's a research analyst task, and it's instant. Now, 2 limits because I promised honesty. NotebookLM only answers from your sources. It won't go off and Google things, which is exactly why it doesn't hallucinate, but means garbage in, garbage out. And the audio overview is mostly English first for now, though more languages keep rolling out. Here's how to make this make money. Freelancers, you can offer document summarization or research briefs as a service. Client sends a messy 80-page report. You run it through NotebookLM, deliver a clean briefing doc plus a 5-question FAQ in 20 minutes, and charge for the hour. Course creators, turn your existing PDFs into audio lessons your students can listen to. Same content, new format, more value. The smartest play, build a single notebook for your niche. Drop in every key document in your field, the regulations, the manuals, the top papers. Now you've got a private expert you can interrogate anytime with citations. That's leverage. So your one next step today, go to notebooklm.google.com, upload 1 PDF that's been sitting on your desktop, and generate the audio overview. Listen to it tonight. You'll get it immediately. Subscribe, because tomorrow I'm showing you how to connect this to an automation that ingests new documents and emails you the summary automatically, fully hands-off. You don't want to miss that one.